Case study: Witness tracing for assault case, Newcastle, UK to the Bahamas. Client background: a legal firm in Newcastle, UK approached Bond Rees for help in locating a crucial witness for an upcoming court case involving a serious assault. The witness had provided key testimony at the initial stages of the investigation, but had since disappeared, jeopardising the trial. The witness, a UK national, was believed to have left the country and possibly relocated to the Bahamas. With the trial date fast approaching, the legal team needed to locate the witness urgently. The investigation. Bond Rees began the witness tracing by reviewing all known information about the individual, including their last known address, employment history, and connections in the UK. The witness had been cooperative at the beginning of the investigation, but had ceased communication after leaving the country. The legal team's concern was that without the witness's testimony, the case could be significantly weakened. Initial search in Newcastle. The investigation started with a thorough search of local records in Newcastle, including property leases, utility accounts, and recent bank activity. However, it quickly became clear that the witness had left the country permanently. Our investigators confirmed that the witness had sold their belongings and severed most ties in the UK, supporting the belief that they had relocated abroad. International tracing to the Bahamas. With leads pointing to the Bahamas, Bond Rees activated its international network. Using immigration records and flight manifest checks, our team confirmed that the witness had flown to Nassau, Bahamas, shortly after their last interaction with the authorities in Newcastle. We then focused on narrowing down the witness's exact location within the Bahamas. Local investigations in the Bahamas. Bond Rees's local investigators in the Bahamas conducted a discreet investigation to locate the witness. By accessing property records, checking hotel and rental accommodations, and interviewing locals in Nassau, we were able to trace the witness to a rental property on a small island just off Nassau. The witness had taken up residence in a private villa, living a relatively low-key life away from the tourist areas. Our team verified this information through social media monitoring and by checking local employment records, which showed the witness had found temporary work in the hospitality industry. We also uncovered that the witness had been trying to keep a low profile, likely due to the legal proceedings in the UK. Re-establishing contact. Once the witness's location was confirmed, Bond Rees approached the individual with care and discretion. We explained the urgency of the situation and the critical role their testimony played in the assault case. The witness, initially hesitant due to the stress of the legal process, was reassured by Bond Rees's professional approach and agreed to cooperate with the legal team in Newcastle. Bond Rees facilitated communication between the witness and the legal firm, ensuring that the witness would be available to provide their testimony, either in person or via a secure video link, depending on the trial's requirements. Outcome. The witness was successfully traced and re-engaged with the legal process, ensuring that the crucial testimony would be available for the assault trial. Thanks to Bond Rees's swift and thorough international tracing, the legal firm in Newcastle was able to proceed with confidence, knowing that the key witness would not be absent during the proceedings. The case ultimately moved forward, with the witness's testimony playing a pivotal role in achieving a fair outcome. Why Bond Rees? This case underscores Bond Rees's capability in tracing witnesses across international borders, even when they have intentionally withdrawn from public life. Our combination of local expertise, international resources, and a sensitive approach ensures that witnesses can be found and re-engaged without unnecessary pressure or conflict. Whether it's for legal cases, personal matters, or other urgent situations, Bond Rees is committed to delivering results quickly and professionally.